To the Middle East and its impact on oil prices, the UK's energy security is very much in focus. This week, the government announced who's going to build a new power plant in North Nottinghamshire, which is set to run on fusion. It's touted as the answer to all our energy needs. The winning bidder is a consortium called Ilios. Here's our environment correspondent, Hugh Caswell.
For 57 years, the energy from West Burton A was made by burning coal. It closed 3 years ago, but it's hoped that won't be the last of the power produced here.
2, 1, 0.
Forget coal though, the planned replacement will run on fusion, the same process that powers the sun. There is a lot of excitement over fusion power because it has the potential, at least, to offer almost limitless clean energy. But it's been talked about as a prospect for decades already, and there are still a lot of hurdles to making it commercially viable. The point of the prototype that's set to be built on this site, though, is to clear those hurdles. There have been major breakthroughs with the technology in recent years, and the announcement of a successful bid to actually build the plant turns all that talk into something more tangible.
You can see what's behind us around the former industrial site at West Burton. This will change the landscape entirely in terms of creating the magnetic centre for fusion and making West Burton the heart of that for the UK.
We know that we can do fusion, but this is the step towards a prototype power plant. That means jobs, lots of jobs over the next 5 to 10 years.
How many of those jobs can be guaranteed are actually going to go to East Midlands people and people actually already living in this region?
Well, we already say within the programme itself that the next round of jobs that come here, about 150, should be locally based. They will be based in West Burton. 8,000 construction workers at its peak. Actually, most of those we would hope would be locally sourced by the construction partner.
Successive governments have invested billions in the sector to try to put the UK at the front of the global race to make fusion work. The West Burton construction contract alone is worth £200 million.
That's really the stage we're at now, turning this into something real, creating jobs all around the country, turning an old coal site in West Burton into the home of fusion.
Don't go thinking you'll be able to boil a kettle on fusion power anytime soon though. The prototype is unlikely to start operating until 2040. Hugh Caswell, BBC East Midlands Today, West Burton in Nottinghamshire.
The Environment Agency's announced more money today to protect Nottingham from flooding. The work will take place at